Imagine a substance so deadly that just a single drop can kill within minutes. A weapon of mass destruction that has been used in some of the most horrifying attacks in modern history. We are talking about sarin. Nerve agent that is as fascinating as it is terrifying. What is it, how it is made, and why has it left such a dark mark on history? Let's break it down. Sarin is a man-made chemical weapon, classified as a nerve agent. It was first developed in 1938 by German scientists trying to create pesticides. But instead of killing insects, they accidentally created one of the most lethal substances known to humanity. Sarin is colorless, odorless, and tasteless, making it almost impossible to detect without specialized techniques. It is a part of a family of chemicals called organophosphates, which disrupt the nervous system, leading to rapid and catastrophic effects on the body. So, how is sarin made? Its synthesis involved a series of chemical reactions. The key ingredients are methyl phosphonyl difluoride and a mixture of isopropyl alcohol and amine. When combined, these chemicals undergo a process called esterification, resulting in sarin. While the exact process is highly controlled and dangerous, it's chilling to think that such a deadly substance can be created from relatively simple chemicals. This ease of synthesis is the reason that sarin remains a threat even today. Sarin's history is really dark. Although it was never used in World War II, both sides stockpiled it, fearing its devastating potential. Fast forward to 1988 when Saddam Hussein's regime used sarins against Kurdish civilians in Halabja, killing thousands in one of the worst chemical attacks in history. In 1995, the world was shocked again when the Om Shinrikyo cult released sarin in the Tokyo subway, killing 13 and injuring over 5,000. More recently, sarin has been used in the Syrian civil war, highlighting its continued threat in modern conflicts. To understand sarin's deadly power, we need to look at how it affects the nervous system. Normally, your nerves communicate using a chemical called acetylcholine. After sending a signal, an enzyme called acetylcholinesterase breaks it down to stop overstimulation. Sarin blocks this enzyme, causing acetylcholine to build up uncontrollably. This leads to constant overstimulation of muscles and glands, resulting in symptoms like twitching, sweating, vomiting, paralysis, and ultimately death. Just 10 milligrams over a drop can be fatal. Thankfully, there are ways to combat sarin poisoning. The first line of defense is decontamination, removing the agent from the skin and clothing. Antidotes like atropine and pralidoxim can help reverse its effects by restoring normal nerve function. Detection is also critical. Specialized equipment like chemical detector and gas chromatographs can identify sarin in the environment, giving responders time to act before it's too late. Here is something you might not know. Sarin is so dangerous that it is classified as a Schedule 1 substance under the Chemical Weapon Convention, meaning its production and stockpiling are banned worldwide. Yet, it continues to be used illegally, raising ethical and political questions about chemical warfare. Interestingly, sarin's cousin VX is even more toxic, but sarin remains infamous due to its use in high-profile attacks. Its legacy serves as a grim reminder of the destructive potential of the chemical weapons. Sarin is a chilling example of how science can be twisted into a weapon. From its accidental discovery to its use in some of the darkest moments in history, it is a substance that demands our attention and understanding. As we continue to grapple with the threat of chemical weapons, stories like these remind us of the importance of vigilance, education, and international cooperation. Thanks for watching.